Hi students, today we will learn another poem from your course book, chapter number 1.3. The title of the poem is Basket Full of Moonlight. First, the introduction of the poem. This poem written by an Indian poet, Sunil Sharma. The poet does not have a rhyming scheme, so it is a free verse poem. This poem throws a light on the bond of relation and affection between a small child and his father. Here, the child seems to be an innocent, caretaking not only for his father but also for the villagers. Now, I will read the poem from line number 1 to 19. Then I will explain the poem. So, listen me carefully. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful with seed of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to show many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work because it becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. Now listen the explanation. Here, the speaker of the poem wants to get one or two basketful of seeds of moonlight to show along the path from his village to the city. Most of the people, including his father, goes to city for their daily work. The road from the village to the city is dangerous and risky because of snakes and scorpions. No cart or bus runs from the village to the city, and after sunset, the path becomes too dark. His father returns late in the night and goes early in the morning when the child is asleep. Now, the second part from line number 18 to 30. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear the fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the side of the path. Now again, listen the explanation of second part of the poem from line number 18 to 30. So, the speaker of the poem wants to show the seeds of moon to light up the road. In this way, his father would be able to return home early and he will be able to listen the fairy tales and stories from his father before going to the bed. Thus, an innocent child is requesting the moon to give him basket full of moonlights on loan. Okay.